So, why do I like driving on ice? Well, I'm not a very good dancer, but after a couple of days on the snow, I feel like I've gotten a little bit better with this Audi RS4. And you know why Finland makes the best drivers in the world, because they've been doing this their entire lives. I'm feeling a little like Harry Vatten. The key is to be smooth, and when the front end is sliding, you unwind the steering and then you use the throttle to do the steering for you. And there is no other feeling in the world like power over steer.